Your most important information is scattered across private websites. Your bank, medical portal, school dashboard, insurance account, bills, statements, and more. Traditional AI can answer questions about the open web, but it can't help much with your personal world because that information is protected inside websites that require login. Jatter is an AI browser that can securely learn your private web pages and files using client-side encryption, then give you useful, personalized answers. When you log into a website, Jatter asks for permission to learn it. With your permission, Jatter learns pages as you browse. It can also learn downloaded or open files like statements, bills, reports, lab results, forms, and class materials. Now you can ask questions that connect directly to your real life. Instead of generic advice, Jatter can give you answers to questions like, how can I save money next month? Explain my latest medical test results, or summarize my grades this semester. Your privacy matters. Learn data is client-side encrypted, helping keep your personal information private. This special kind of encryption prevents everyone except you from accessing your data. Please note that all of the information shown here is fictional, but accurately exhibits Jatter's functionality. You can also enable and disable learning through the Settings button. To get personal answers, ask a question in the chat bar on the home page, or navigate to the Personal Answers icon. Under the Personal Answers tab, you can see web pages have been learned, get categorized web browsing history, specific site visit history, and ask specific questions. There's a wealth of information available through Jatter's Personal Answers app. Give it a try and see how you like it. And don't hesitate to reach out to us at support@jatter.ai.